Okay. Okay. Today's topic we are going to learn how to learn English. Today we are going to learn English. Communications, sign language. Communications, sound. Commonly, not only the human beings, all the animals and living beings also they have the sounds. They also communicate, but they have their own languages. Like the same way, we also have some languages, and we can speak. We can use the different languages here. As a human being, we can use it to learn, use it to talk, communicate with the other persons. It's called language. We have specially examples: Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, Malayalam. Communications, sound and sign. Mostly whenever we are used to talk, otherwise communication, sometimes we use the symbols. It's called sign. And we know very well, we have the proof also. It is actions speak more than louder than the voice. In same way, the signs also very important compared with the sound also. If we see here in the pictures, there is a traffic police and there is an umpire. And what they are showing, this is only symbol. Symbolically they are showing, and they can move, they can control the top traffic here. And here is the umpire, and depend upon the sign, the decision could be changes. It can be, he can make the decisions by signing, showing the sign. Okay, now we are going to about learn what is a language. Warming up the class. Think about how you yourself learn English. Whenever we are used to speak, otherwise whenever we are conversing, there is a different types here. For suppose if you're talking with our friends, that is different way. If we with our parents, that is different way. And with our elders, otherwise in an office, there is a, we used to talk in different manners. It is okay. Teacher talking in the classroom. Watching TV, listening radio, watching movie. These are all communications here. And reading books. Here we can see the symbols here, pictures. Depending upon the pictures, we can see that. Reading a new newspapers and magazines, and using computers. We can improve our communications by using computers, by reading newspapers, and by reading the books. We can improve our communication skills. That is nothing but learning languages. And we can communicate not only with the talking, not only with the words, and even we can write. It is write letters and emails. Nowadays we are using emails online. We can send the messages through the one person to other persons at the same time. We can send so many people by using the language. It is letters, by writing that. Practicing structures, English grammar reference and exercise. English to speak, otherwise to conversation we require some language, some uh, grammar here, English tenses, overview, all etc. Write letters, do grammar exercise, read grammar books, do translation, memorize conversation. Now check which of the following you do to learn yourself what you are doing here. So it is my suggestion, what you have to do to learn the languages: talk with your teachers and as well your friends, listen to the radio, watching television, watch English films, read English textbooks, read English newspapers and magazines, and write letters, do grammar exercises, read grammar books, do translations, and memorize conversations. These can improve you a lot, and you can learn easily the language. English grammar, and you can use the dictionaries, reading grammar books. We can learn any language by practicing, but not only reading. And what is that? Is nothing but if you learn any grammar or anything, you can learn and you can get by applying that. For suppose if you have the bicycle, if you can by the reading the spelling bicycle, you can't get the bicycle. It's riding, but what by practice only you can get the how to ride a bicycle. And don't think about the people and the society what they are thinking about. Always some of the people they have the inferior feeling that whenever we are doing something, maybe the people they are used to laugh about us, but you don't think about it. Mistakes are common, and one thing you have to remember, every person is a learner, and don't be afraid of any persons. You should continue yourself. Group work, who is more practical among the two? How? What was Adib's problem in learning to ride a bicycle? How is learning? Adib and Ragib. Adib, what is doing here? He reading the book. What is reading? How to ride a bicycle. He is reading about that. How to ride a bicycle in a textbook. But what is Ragib doing? He's practically is doing. He's learning the bicycle. In same way, English is a language you can get only by practice, not only by reading. If you know the grammar, how much is it is not important, but how much you are applying, how much you are practicing yourself, that is important to learn. Assessment, evaluation, oral. In not more than 5 sentences, you can learn to speak only by speaking. For suppose if you want to learn how to speak, it is maybe possible by the speaking, but not only the reading it is. You can learn to listen only by listening. You can learn to read only by reading. You can learn to write only by writing, but not you can speak by writing. Otherwise, not so you can speak by reading. You should have to apply.